everyone, it's Luna and welcome to the Majestic Luna page. I hope everyone is having a great day, and we're just starting out because we want to do a 5 video series on really coming back to center, right? And teaching a little bit of what we do with our students and with clients, because a lot of times I have sessions and I still teach why I have sessions even in a reading or in a healing, because it's super important to teach people how to come back to center, how to come back to themselves. And that's one of the things a lot of times people don't understand, even with the psychic reading. You're getting information, right? But what do you do with that information? The information is kind of like a stepping stone. It helps you understand something with more clarity, and it helps you understand what your choices are. Because one of the things is that we have choices to make in our lives, and so we can have a reading, but if you don't get out there and take action, it really doesn't happen, right? People used to tell me, like, yeah, I see someone coming in for you, but he's not gonna come under your bed. You got to do things. You got to get out there. You have to follow your intuition. And so one of the biggest things for those that don't really want to take classes, those that, are still iffy and not sure how to really connect to their intuition, is they ask me, like, how do I listen to myself? But there are techniques to get back to that space. And that's why a lot of, metaphysical teachers, teach you to ground, to center, to clear your energy field. Because if your energy field is muddy, then you won't really hear. You'll hear so many things outside of you. You'll hear yourself, but you also feel everyone's feelings. You'll pick up on the things that they want for you, and sometimes other spirits. So this is one of the main reasons too, coming back to yourself, coming back to center, clearing your energy field, balancing that energy field. So when you do make a decision, you're hearing you and you're not hearing all the chatter from outside of you. So today we want to teach how to just come back to center after you've had a really long day, if you've been tired or you're getting up in the morning, and some of you are having those crazy dream times like I know I am, especially around the changes of the season. So what we're going to do today is we just want you to feel that gravity of the earth and intend to that. You don't have to do anything fancy. Just intend in your mind or out loud, however, whatever works for you, to connect to the gravity of the earth and feel yourself pulling in. Feel your different bodies. If you feel like part of you is like way out there in la la land, bring that back. Go into the atmosphere of the earth and bring those parts of you back. And gently come back into yourself. And so allow yourself to really reset in that way with the earth, because she is that mother energy, and she allows you to replenish yourself. She likes when you give her your gunk, but she helps you replenish that back into your body. So this is why grounding into the earth, if you have a grounding practice, or just gently going into the gravity of the earth, helps you to stay balanced. But also not, you don't want to ignore your physical body. You want to make sure that your physical body has what it needs, along with your spiritual self and with your mind. And next, what we're going to do is, if you can be outside, or just imagine the sun coming through your third eye and feeling that energy coming through your third eye, down your spine, into that gravity pull of the earth, going back out to the sun. So you're circulating the energy. And the reason that you're doing that is to get the movement and the flow of the sun and that source energy. The sun is a transmuter, correct? It illuminates. It brings forward, but it also allows you to move out what is not yours. So if you're hearing too much chatter, if you're really confused about the direction that you need to go in your life, this is a great way to dissolve all that. If you're dissolving a lot of karmic patterns, whether it's yours, ancestral, this is a great way to just move that all, dissolve it all out of your body, at the same time being connected to the earth so she can replenish you. So you have that balance of the masculine sun and the feminine earth. And balancing that in your energy field, in your subtle body, in your luminous body, and in your physical body to bring balance. When you're balanced and when you're grounded like a tree, then you're able to withstand anything that comes at you. You're able to really face, sometimes we have to face some trials and tribulations, or ourselves, or our own crap, as I say. We all have it. We all get in our way. And we're able to do that in a better space when we're grounded, right? And when we're balanced. And another way to be balanced is to make sure you take care of your physical body. You're sleeping well. You're drinking enough water. You're feeding your body what it needs. And everybody needs something different. You have the right nutrients and minerals in your body and the foods that your body's asking for. So after you do this exercise and do this for a few minutes, and you can do this a few times a day, just allowing that center energy to move through, allowing the earth to replenish you, ask yourself, what does my body need? And it will tell you, and you'll feel that. A lot of times people will get cravings for something, and your body's telling you, hey, I need some lettuce, I need some kale, I need some protein, I need, something that helps with, blank and blank. Listen to that. If it's subtle, if it's gentle, then that's your body. If it's like really piercing at you, that might be cravings to feed something that doesn't want to let go. So that's kind of a way to really distinguish between those two. I feel that source always is very gentle, and our bodies is always very gentle. If it's really, really loud and obnoxious and chattery, then a lot of times that is something that is afraid to leave. So we hope that helps you today in our first part of our video series of connecting and centering to yourself. Make sure that you also drink plenty of water after you do these exercises, so you stay grounded and you stay nourished. Remember to like, share, and subscribe the page, and have an amazing day.